Hi everyone, welcome back to my world in shadows. Today we are going to do this beautiful makeup tutorial. I think that is beautiful. I hope that you like it. And basically in this tutorial we are going to discuss the complementary combination. And if you want to know all the details, just keep on watching. See you at the end. Bye. First I'm going to add P. Louise base in the eyelid area. And using my P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that base all over the eye area. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the complementary combination, and for that, I'm going to add different tones of orange and a blue. I'm going to start applying this white as my base eyeshadow in the brow bone area, and I am using a Sigma E25 because it is soft and fluffy. I'm going to use a different Sigma E25 to apply my first color, and this one is just peachy. I am using this brush because I don't want that color to show a lot. Now using an Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush, I'm going to add the color Tangerine Dream. And because I want this color to be more visible, more vibrant, I'm going to apply this one in a tapping motion. Then returning in a circular upward motion or movement. Returning with the previous color. Now we are ready to apply KOI. And I am using another ABH brush, A14. Returning to my previous brush without adding any more color, just blending with that brush the previous color. Finally, we are going to add Heat Wave, which is a more intense peach color or orange color. And this combination that we have been using until this point is known as the unicolor combination. And if you want to know more details about this combination, I'm going to add that link here somewhere in the screen and also in the description box. I am adding more of that heat wave color just to intensify that application. I'm going to add a little bit of more KOI. A little bit more of Tangerine. A little bit more of just peachy. Cleaning the top part of that application with a white. A little bit of white. This one is White Lights. I'm basically going back with the previous colors again, so we don't lose any of the colors of the different pages color. Now using a Sigma L06 and Garnier cleansing water, I'm going to clean the eyelid area so it has a new canvas. Now I'm going to use a cotton swab just to clean a little bit more, and at the same time dry the area that I just cleaned. Now I'm going to apply P. Louise base to that area that I just cleaned. Oops. And using the P. Louise brush, I'm going just to distribute that base over the area that was just cleaned. It's now clean and clear one color, so it is prepared to receive all the other colors. I'm going to use this Sigma L06 for the precision, for the areas that I need to be more precise. Now using the Sigma L06, I'm going to define even more the line in between the transition area and the eyelid area. My husband is sleeping, so if you see some snoring in the background, it's him. He is a little bit sick. I'm sorry about that. Now that you have that base well applied, we can go back with the heat wave color and just intensify that color in the outer part of the eye. Now I like to use a Sigma E15 and apply the next color, the next orange color, which is KOI. And with another Sigma E15, apply the last one. And this one is Tangerine. Now I'm going to add this beautiful bluish color, and this one is from the Zulu Palette from Juvia's Play. This palette is old, it's really old, but it's one of my favorite palettes I have ever used. It's a beautiful palette. The colors are so intense, so beautiful. Now I like to go back and just blend one color with the other so it seems seamless. You don't see where one color ends and when the other starts. And basically this is the complementary combination, where you have one color, which is orange, and then you use the opposite color or the color that you have in the opposite side to basically complement your eyeshadow application. However, I like to add some kind of detail to the eyes. I feel that something is missing in this eyeshadow application, and I'm going to use this Jeffree Star Cosmetic lipstick. The name of this lipstick is Queen Bee. Basically, I'm just adding this lipstick to add a little bit of detail. Why I select the yellow color and not other color? Basically, this is part of the analog combination of colors. So if you want to know more details about the analog combination, just check this other tutorial that I will be linking here somewhere in the screen and also in the description box, where I explain everything associated with the analog combination. Now I'm going to complete my face and I'm coming back soon. Now using a Sigma E20 brush, I'm going to apply the orange colors. I'm going to start with the more intense orange, which is Heat Wave, then KOI, and completing with Tangerine. In the inner part of the eye, I'm going to add the bluish beautiful color. Bluish metallic beautiful color. And that bluish, I'm going to bring that bluish over the orange. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight in the upper area of the brow bone to illuminate that area. So this is all, guys. I hope that you like this makeup tutorial for the complementary combination, and if you like this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can help me to grow this channel. And if you are new, thank you for your visit. Thank you for being here. My name is Mary and this is MyWorldInShadows. I love to create content in terms of makeup, all kind of makeup. Neutral, colorful, a little bit of artistic, a little bit of skincare, a little bit of social media, a little bit of everything. So if you love all that, consider to subscribe, consider to smash that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload a video, which I try to do it every single day from 6 to 9 p.m. But sometimes things happen in life and I cannot upload at the same time, and that's why you need to have that notification bell. Smash it. And this is all. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy life. See you in the next one. Bye.